What's that? May I please get the toasted cheddar chalupa box? Soft taco? Sierra Mist? Chicken, chipotle milk. That will be it? Alright, thank you.
One, two, three.
And the chicken chipotle melts in there? Alright, man, get some fire sauce.